Are you losing money even with good entries? That's probably because your exit plan sucks. But don't worry, today I will show you how we boosted our scalping strategy's win rate to nearly 60% and made over 150% profit in just 3 months, all by changing one thing, the exit strategy. I'm ATP, and in this episode I will teach you how to exit every trade like a pro. Let's get started. In episode 1, we tested more than 90 indicators and found the perfect trigger, the Gaussian channel. Then, in episode 2, we added a strong trend filter, the Kinjun Sun with a 120 length, and a volume confirmation, the volume accumulation percentage by Lazy Bear. Together, they gave us a 54% win rate and a net profit of 120% in just 3 months, and by using 5 commodities. That's already quite powerful, but there is still one major weakness: how we exit our trades. You see, most traders are obsessed with the question, when do I enter in a position? But what about the real money? It's made in the exit. If your exits are too early, you leave money on the table. If they are too late, you give profits back. Now, at this point, you might be thinking,
Okay, so I just need to aim for a bigger risk-reward ratio, right?
not so fast. A high risk reward sounds great, but it's useless if your win rate can support it. Let me give you an example. A 1-to-2 risk reward ratio sounds great, but with only a 30% win rate, your equity curve becomes a roller coaster. On the other hand, a 1-to-0.7 setup might not sound sexy, but with a 65% win rate, it can outperform most strategies and keep you profitable over time. That's why it's not about choosing between risk-reward or win rate, it's about finding the right balance. You just need to win more than you lose and keep your edge over time. Now let's talk about how we set the exits, starting with the stop losses. Until now, our stop loss was placed just below the swing low for longs or above the swing high for shorts. That worked, but it doesn't adapt to the changing market volatility, and that could be a problem in the future. So it's time to upgrade. From now on, we are using the ATR bands indicator, a tool that dynamically adjusts the stop losses based on market volatility. Whether the market is peaceful or chaotic, this indicator will always adapt, giving us the most balanced and reliable place to set our stop losses. For this scalping strategy, just change the multipliers to 3. For long positions, we use the lower band to place them, and for shorts, we use the upper one. Simple and effective. And now, let's talk about take profits. There's more than one way to exit a trade. And so, in this episode, we are going to test several different types of exits. Fixed take profit, like the classic 1-to-1.5, multiple take profits, and also trailing stop losses, where we ride the trend and scale out smartly. To test all of this in the quickest and simplest way, we are once again using the ATP indicators testing bot. Inside the bot, you can now define both your stop loss and take profit logic using the risk management and exit sections. You can test risk-based exits using ATR multiples, fixed targets exits using the TP1 option, or combine both using the 2 take profits option, which is exactly what we will do while using a 2% risk per trade. If you want to understand each of these options in more detail, you will find a free user guide on my website. Just download it on the homepage. There you will find examples of every possibility. Now I will test different exit combinations using the same strategy as before, and I will be right back with the results. After testing all the most common exit styles, here's what I found. Let's start with the classic fixed risk-reward ratios. Using a 1-to-1.5, we achieved a net profit of 125%, which sounds great, but the win rate dropped to just 43.8%, which makes the equity curve a bit unstable. With the 1-2, the profit jumped to 175%, but the win rate dropped even more, below 39%. That's risky, high reward, but also high inconsistency. So, while fixed risk rewards can work, we can definitely do better. Now, let's move on to something smarter: hybrid exits using partial take profits with trailing stops. In one test, we took 50% of the trade at the 1-1 and let the remaining 50% trail. This setup gave us a much better balance, a 50.7% win rate and a 151% total profit. But the best result came from a small tweak. We closed 30% of the trade at a 1 to 0.75 level and then trailed the remaining 70% using the ATR bands. This gave us a 59.8% win rate, the highest of all tests, and a 156% net profit. And so, this will be the exit model we are going to use going forward. Let me now show you how this works visually. As soon as we hit the 1 to 0.75 level, we close 30% of the position. You should also move your stop loss to break even. From that point on, the remaining 70% is managed by a trailing stop based on the ATR bands. We only update the stop when a candle closes in our favor. That's upward for longs and downward for shorts. And if a new valid signal appears mid-trade, we close the open position and start a new one, clean and efficient. And here's the full performance summary: 59.8% win rate, net profit of 156% in 3 months, the same as 52% per month, a 1.41 profit factor, and a smooth, consistent and scalable equity curve. And now we are almost ready to trade. But before we do that, there's still one critical step left: robustness testing. In the next episode, we'll test this strategy across different time periods, market conditions and assets to see if it really holds up. So make sure you subscribe, because next time we'll take this system to the limit and see if it's ready for live trading. Also, if you want to fast track your strategy building process or just copy this one when it's done, you'll find everything inside my website. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button. I'm ATP, thanks for watching, and I will see you in episode 4. Bye bye.